All right, here is the hotel. It is called, I can't remember now, but the English name is inside, but it's just fantastic.
Hey, baby, hug. My hug.
Okay, great.
How many people do you outside? You need business with you.
I know. It was 1 minute. 1 minute. Here we are at the hotel bar and see how cute their decorations are. All right, let's look at the menu here at the Emilio. You have your hot drinks, your soft fizzy drinks, your mineral water, your fresh fruit juice, canned juice, beer, wine, aperitifs. The table, I'm staying right here. Perfection. And they also have a sitting. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Another sitting in there. More cold drinks. Okay, so large bottle, 15, small bottle, 10. Very nice. And there's the reception. And here's the front desk. And here's the wonderful front desk staff. Hello, hello, thank you. They have a lovely restaurant. And in the morning, they do have a breakfast buffet, which is right over there. Okay, we just arrived at the Emilio Hotel in downtown Luxor. It is so fantastic. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Look at that. Come on here. Refrigerator. Do they have coffee? They must have a coffee station. Anyway, look at this cute little, I guess this is a swan. Okay, they have a safe. They have extra blanket. Sweet, and they have a balcony. Let's see if we can figure out how this, oh, look at that. We got ourselves a balcony. Okay, and the Nile River, straight ahead. This place is awesome. I gotta check the AC. This is so great. We are here on the 4th floor. Let me see if I can find the elevator. Found it. I don't know how to work it. I don't know how to work this. Very nice. Look at this pool. This is fantastic. A pretty good view from the lounge chairs. Look at that. Avenue of the Sphinxes. All right, check out the pool here at the Emilio Hotel. Plus they have the bar, plus they have massage, plus they have all the tables. Everything overlooks the Nile River. The WC at the Emilio Hotel. Where's the light? Oh, I can take a bath. We are at the Obelisk. Wow, look at this. Here we go. Wow. Oh, very nice. Very large. Okay. Oh, very nice. What a beautiful, beautiful restaurant right on the Nile River. This is my first up close. Look at that. I could sit out here. The beautiful Nile River. The pool. Oh my goodness. I never even imagined. I mean, the pool is on the Nile. Look at this pool. Stop it. And look at, they have exercise equipment here if you want to go on the treadmill. Oh, and watch the Nile go by. And from the pool area leads right over to the restaurant where I was just sitting, looking at the Nile. Oh, golly. Let's check out the buffet. Cereal, fruit, honey, yogurts. Very nice cheese, meat. Okay, and then you can have salads. Oh, for omelets. Some sausage. Potatoes. Those look, wow. Beans. A falafel. Some dessert, breakfast bread. Okay. What is this? Doom, Tang, pomegranate, hot milk tea, coffee. Breakfast is included, and we have some potatoes with cheese, sausage, cheese and onion omelet, and then I got some Cocoa Puffs, coffee, and Tang. I can't recommend this hotel highly enough. The staff are absolutely wonderful. The location is perfect right on the Nile, and it's also extremely safe and secure. Security guard, metal detector, and an x-ray machine. The Pharoahs Hotel, Catalonia Cafe and Restaurant. All right, we're back at the Pharoahs Hotel. This is the end of our trip. I received an extra night accommodation because my flight does not leave until tomorrow morning. So a little bit different style room. Seemed a little bit bigger than the first room I was in. Very, very nice. This is nicer than the first room, for sure. For sure. There's no door. Now let's head downstairs. I'm gonna go to the little shop next door and get some water. I should get one. All right, they have all kinds of stuff. They have everything you want here. Okay, I got some cheese samosas, little hummus, and some bread.